Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Station to Station. Let's take a look at how we're going to set up our modular stations. There's going to be 8 modular stations. Now, these are already pre-made. We've got Story Cube Central, Sketch Note Scramble, T-Chart Challenge, Socrative Seminar, Lego Design Lab, Play-Doh Create, Viral Video All-Stars, and the Hot Zone, the higher ordered thinking questions. So there are already so many wonderful stations already made for you. You're just going to plug in your Wonders content. So remember, again, each station is just a different way to practice the same transfer skill. If you look right here, you can see on the little computer screen, I used a Wonders persuasive article. There was a couple of them we used. One of them was the case of the missing bees. So some of the examples I'm going to show you are from that particular Wonders literature anthology. So let's take a look at the Play-Doh Create Lab station. I love the names. I mean, of course, your students are going to get excited when they hear a Create Lab. So the Create Lab, basically you're going to give students Play-Doh and they're going to have Google Slides, or you can use a whiteboard. The rules are they're going to build the concept. They're going to be annotating details. They're going to submit this either on a Google Slide presentation, or I had some of my students write down details on a whiteboard or 3x5 cards. It's really up to you. And they're going to submit those to you at the end of the day. So this was an example from a student of mine. They obviously made some flowers and some of the bees that they read about. So they're using that Play-Doh to construct as many scenes, images, it could be characters from yesterday's reading. So you want to make sure that they have read whatever it is that you're doing in Wonders, and then they will be doing the Station to Station the next day on that reading. So another one is the T-Chart Challenge Station. Now again, this station is already made for you. You have it right there. Basically the materials are paper and a writing utensil. I found a big kind of poster board paper, and the students divided it into the T-chart. They have facts, questions, and reactions. So they create that 3-column T-chart like the one shown above, right? And they're going to use what they've learned since our last class from that reading from yesterday. And then they're going to put in their facts. As you can see, I had students say 75% of fruits and veggies are helped by bees. And then they have their questions that they want to ask. I had a student say, do bees cry? And then they're putting in the reactions, how they felt as a result of what they read the day before. So where appropriate, they can even include page numbers also on this. And the details do really matter. Now they're basically, they keep going with questions, facts, and reactions until the clock runs out. So these stations are all ready for you. You can just modify them a little bit, kind of like a QR break-in, and you've got your stations ready up on your whiteboard, again with some magnets so students can easily take them and put them back. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.